In this quick tutorial, I'll explain how battery health calibration works on your iPhone 14 and what you can do to keep your battery performing at its best. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that the iPhone 14 does not include a manual battery calibration option. Apple automatically monitors and calibrates your battery in the background, so there's no setting you need to enable or button you need to press. If you want to check your battery's condition, open the Settings app. Next, tap Battery, then select Battery Health or Battery Health and Charging, depending on your iOS version. Here, you can view your battery's maximum capacity and check whether your battery is operating normally. To help maintain battery health, keep optimized battery charging enabled, avoid exposing your iPhone to extreme temperatures, and install the latest iOS updates whenever they're available. If you notice inaccurate battery percentages or unusual battery performance, restarting your iPhone and keeping it updated can often help. If the issue continues, you may need to contact Apple support for a battery diagnostic. That's it. Now you know how battery health calibration works on your iPhone 14. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.